Hey guys, what's up? It is December 18th. It is 3:01 p.m. It is power hour and I'm done. I'm not gonna trade it because well, welcome to Friday of options expiration week. Wow. Where to begin today? Let's see. I traded SFIX, I traded CSCO, and I traded the SPY. All right. Now, SFIX, I traded twice. I closed one swing trade that I had from yesterday, and then I gave it another go, right? Then CSCO I traded once, and SFIX the SPY I traded once too at the very end, very quick trade. That was a good one. Okay, so let's see. All right, so if you remember, yesterday I went into SFIX right there, right? And then it went down. Now, because SFIX has been very volatile lately, I decided to hold it. And this is where it closed yesterday. I thought that it could pop, and it actually did okay in the morning. First thing in the morning, it looked like it was gonna go, but it did not want to break 70. It did not want to break 70, no matter how hard it tried. So I took my loss for 29.41%. That one was a tiny bit bigger than I would have liked. As you know, my idea, I like to take my losses at 25% maximum. Smaller than that is even better. Like I try to take them at around 15% or so. But like I've said many times, the standard stop loss when trading options is 50%, which again to me is too much, way too much. So like I said, SFIX, the swing trade that I had yesterday, I closed for a 29.41% loss. Okay. And I got out, where did I get out? Let me check. At 10:16 in the morning, which is yep, the first minute of this candle. So right at the beginning of this candle. Why? Because I saw big retrace. Sorry, this is where the day started. I saw big retracement. Then we got a bullish candle. That's great. I saw retracement again. And I said, no, I don't think you can make it. So I got out for, it's an okay loss. It's not gonna be the end of me. 29% versus 25, that's fine. Okay, so that was my first loss. Now, SFIX did look like it could push on through later at 10:57, which is here. I went in again here, and I got out at 11:14 here. Okay, so I wanted to avoid this retracement. That's why I got out at the beginning of this candle, and I did. Great. But when I saw it come back, and trust me, it was pushing up. I was like, oh, okay, I'm gonna see if there's a breakout. There was no breakout. So at the end of this candle, I got out. And I'm done trading SFIX for a while. Why? Because I don't want to revenge trade. Okay. If I were to, I was looking at this all day and I didn't trade it again, which is good because there was no pattern. Even if there was a pattern, the momentum is gone, right? So there's nothing for me to do here now. And the best thing I can do is to put this one in store for now, okay? Now this loss was a 16.06% loss, which is fine. With options, that's fine. That's what I try to take. When I have a losing trade, 14, 15, 16 is what I try to take, so that's fine. I mean, I don't have to like it, but I play it safe, right? And if it's a loss, I just cut it and I move on. There you go. I mean, there are days, guys, when you are going to lose, and I want to talk about this at the end of the video. Okay. Okay. So let's move on. Let's delete that and let's delete that. I traded CSCO next. CSCO. When did I get in? 1044. 1044, which is, if I'm not mistaken, here. Yep. I got in there. And I got out at 252, which is somewhere in this candle. Okay. So I got in because this popped up in the morning, retraced, and don't tell me this doesn't look like it's gonna keep going up. And the momentum was there. The momentum in my indicators was there, but this stock does not move. And there is a huge law, like a huge weight here at 45.30 or so. It cannot break it. It cannot break it. And this is not a volatile stock. Not volatile options either. So the first thing that happened was that it retraced a little bit after I got in. Then it recovered. I was like, here we go, here we go. It got rejected, just like it got rejected here. Then it moved sideways, and I actually got out before this drop. I saw the SPY was looking to go down, and that's why I traded it to the downside, and I'm gonna go over that trade next. But I saw that the SPY was gonna fall, so I said, yeah, I'm done with this one too. And this one was a 2.99% loss, which is like a scratch. That's barely, yeah, no, that's not a loss really with options. So I'm happy that I got out of this one. I'm not happy that I let it not manage my emotions, but I gave it way too much time. This is nothing. I mean, I was looking for a breakout, but who knows if it was gonna happen or not, right? So yeah, I'm happy that this was a scratch, break even pretty much, but I'm not happy how I handled this one. And you know, I guess I'll just learn that lesson for the next time, right? Or it's a good reminder anyway. Okay, and last but not least, the SPY. Look at all these lines that I have. Okay, so the SPY, let's see, what did I do? I'm gonna change the color here. Okay. Alright, so for the SPY, let me go to the 5-minute. I got in, where did I get in? 246. 246 should be around, no, that's too early. Yeah, like the beginning of this candle. I got out here. Why? Because I saw that it had broken down, retested, and it was gonna go. And it went. It went my way very well. Now this line is support from a couple of you know, times it hit it before. So I knew there could be a you know, like trouble breaking this level. So yeah, sorry, where did I get out? Let me tell you that. 258, I got out, yep, at the, like, around here pretty much. I actually got a very good exit. This trade was a 12.26% gain, which is a single in 6 minutes. I will take it every time, okay? Why did I get out? Because like I said, this level had been support in the past, and I wasn't mentally the best I've ever been because of all the paper cuts I got today. No big losses, but paper cuts, right? So I said, you know what, I'm gonna take my gain and I'm gonna call it a week. I'm done for the week. This is options expiration, so yeah, like trading trading this week usually bites. Anyway, right, about the losses that you take, I want to talk about that. When you first start to trade, it's very common to want to make money on every single trade. And if you don't make money on every single trade, you don't feel good, you're sad, you're depressed, you're a loser, right? Then you realize that that's not possible. You know, it's not possible to make money every single time, right? So then you start to want to make money every day. And again, that is not possible, guys. It's not possible to always be right, okay? To, you know, yeah, like be in the green every day, that's not possible. Then you want to be profitable every week. And that's also not possible. Why? Because there are times when your system is not going to be in tune with the market and you're going to take losses. You're going to take losses, and some losses are going to be heavier than others. And yeah, like being profitable every week, I'm sorry, that's not going to happen either. What you can be is profitable every month and profitable every year. Okay, so that's kind of like the evolution of a trader. You start off wanting to be profitable on every trade, day, week, month, and year. All right. And yeah, like try to focus on your monthly results, and then eventually you'll look at your yearly results, right? But for now, I think it's good that if you guys focus on your monthly, okay? All right. Yeah, 4 trades today. One standard loss, like 29% versus 25. That's my standard stop loss. One small loss that was well taken. I didn't like it because it was the second one in a row on the same stock, but it is what it is. That was 16%. Then a tiny loss, that's pretty much a scratch, 2.99%, and then a win of 12.26%. And that is a week. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Remember, focus on your monthly results, not your weekly, not your daily, not your trade by trade. And I will talk to you next week. All right, thanks. Bye.